BMW has a reputation problem. People hear the name and immediately think five-figure repair bills, dashboard lights that never quit, and mechanics who drive nicer cars than you do. And look, that reputation is partially deserved for certain models, certain engines, certain years. But here's what nobody talks about. There are BMWs on the road today pushing 300, 400, even 500,000 miles on original engines. No rebuilds, just oil changes and tires. I'm Hank, and I've been wrenching on cars for over 20 years. Welcome to SUV Hype. Today we're counting down the 10 BMWs that actually never break down, backed by real owner data and real mileage numbers. The mid-list entries are the sleepers nobody talks about. Let's get into it. Number 10, BMW A46 Series, 1992 to 1999. We're starting old school. The E46 Series works because of one thing, simplicity. No twin turbos, no complex direct injection, no transmission trying to outsmart itself. Just a naturally aspirated inline-six and a chassis BMW had already refined for years. Hot Cars named the E46 M3 the most reliable BMW M car ever produced. It ran the naturally aspirated S50 or S52 inline-six without the turbocharged complexity of later M cars. Owners routinely report 150,000 to 200,000 miles with minimal major issues. Parts are cheap and shared across multiple BMW models of the era. Find a well-maintained E36 and you're buying the beginning of a legendary engine bloodline. Number 9, BMW E46 3 Series, 1999 to 2006. The E46 might be the most beloved BMW ever built. KBB gives the 1999 model a 4.7 out of 5 reliability rating. RepairPal puts annual maintenance at around $739 for a rear-wheel drive sports sedan that drives like it's alive. The engine is the M54 inline-six. One owner on E46 Fanatics documented an M54 B30 with over 550,000 miles on the original block. Naturally aspirated, timing chain driven, no $1,200 belt replacement interval, no turbo failures. The weak points, cooling system, Vanos seals, valve cover gasket, are so well documented after 25 years that every experienced BMW tech has the parts on the shelf. Address those proactively and this engine outlives almost everything else on the road. Number 8, BMW Z4 E85 E86, 2003 to 2008. This one surprises people. The first generation Z4 doesn't get enough credit, and the reason it belongs here is simple. It ran the same M54 inline-six as the E46. Naturally aspirated, timing chain driven. J.D. Power gave it a reliability score of 86 out of 100. What makes the Z4 special is that most of them were babied. Roadsters tend to have more careful owners and less daily grind abuse. You're getting proven M54 reliability in a package that's probably lived a softer life than the average commuter. That combination makes the early Z4 a hidden gem, and one of the best value used BMWs you can buy right now. Number 7, BMW E39 Series, 1997 to 2003. If the E46 is beloved, the E39 is mythological. The highest mileage E39 ever reported, a 1998 523i, rolled past 584,000 miles. A forum member on E46 Fanatics documented an M54 equipped 530i at 410,000 miles, still driven daily. The 530i with the M54B 30 is the engine you want. It's the same power plant as the 330i, just sitting in a more refined package. When maintained properly, cooling system refreshed around 80,000 miles, oil changes every 7,500 miles, this is genuinely one of the longest-lived engines BMW ever produced. Find a 530i with documented maintenance, and you're buying a potential quarter-million-mile car at used market prices. Number 6, BMW 128i, 2008 to 2013. The 128i doesn't get talked about enough. This US market compact coupe ran the N5 2 inline-six, the direct successor to the M54, and earned a J.D. Power reliability score of 89 out of 100 for the 2013 model year, one of the highest scores any BMW has ever received. The N52 won a spot on Ward's top 10 best engines in both 2006 and 2007. Naturally aspirated, timing chain driven port injection, meaning no direct injection carbon buildup clogging your intake valves over time. Most N52 engines comfortably reach 180,000 to 220,000 miles with proper maintenance. The 128i is also historically significant. The N52 was the last naturally aspirated BMW straight six, ending a production run of that configuration stretching back to 1968. After this generation, BMW went all in on turbos. The 128i is the final chapter of an era, and still a bargain used. Number 5. BMW E93 28i, 2007 to 2012. The E93 series gets painted with a broad brush because the turbocharged 335i had real problems. But the 328i, different car entirely. The 328i ran the same N52 inline-six that earned the 128i those scores. No turbocharger, no direct injection, no timing chain issues that plagued the N24 cylinder that replaced it. Port injection means the intake valves stay clean. Owners report that a well-maintained N52 uses no measurable oil between changes. The known maintenance items, electric water pump around 80,000 miles, oil filter housing gasket, DISA valves, are all predictable, affordable, and well documented. The E93 28i is a rear-wheel drive sports sedan that you can actually maintain without a specialist. That's rare in this segment. Number 4. BMW X5 xDrive 35i. Now we're into the modern era, and you need to be surgical here. The F15 X5 with the N55 inline-six represents a genuine step forward from the troubled N54. Single twin-scroll turbo instead of twin turbos, fewer failure points. J.D. Power gave this generation X5 an 84 out of 100. RepairPal puts annual maintenance at $879. The key is generation. The F15 had years of mid-cycle refinement ironed out by the time these models were built. Owners with documented maintenance histories regularly see 150,000 to 200,000 miles without major drama. This is the modern luxury SUV on this list. And unlike a German competitor at 100,000 miles, the F15 X5 is typically just asking for tires and fluid changes, not air suspension bags and electronic modules that cost more than a used Civic. Number 3. BMW 340i F30 2016 to 2018. This is where modern BMW reliability gets genuinely exciting. The F3340i introduced the B58 engine, BMW's 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six, and the B58 has earned a reputation the community hasn't given a turbocharged BMW in decades. Enthusiasts call it the best BMW engine in decades, and the engineering backs that up. The B58 uses a closed deck block, which reduces cylinder wall stress compared to the open deck N55 it replaced. It has a forged crankshaft and connecting rods. The timing chain was completely redesigned, far more robust than the N20 that preceded it. Owners regularly reach 150,000 to 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. Buy the 2016 or later 340i specifically. Earlier F30s used the N24 cylinder with known timing chain guide failures. BMW fixed that problem and simultaneously introduced the B58. Right engine, right time. This is the modern BMW that actually holds up. Number 2. BMW E39 M5, 1999 to 2003. The E39 M5 is the unexpected entry. People think complex, expensive, fragile. The real story is different. The S62 V8 was hand-built, every single one. A specialist who has rebuilt hundreds of them describes the engine as capable of 300,000 miles on original components, with documented real-world examples at 192,000 miles still running on original rod bearings. The S62 is a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8. No turbos. What kills them is neglect, not design. The rod bearings and aging plastic timing chain guides are the known weak points, and both are proactively addressable. Change the oil every 5,000 miles, handle those two items, and you have a hand-built naturally aspirated V8 that sounds like nothing else on the road and will outlast most modern performance cars around it. Number 1. BMW E46 M3, 2001 to 2006. Nobody is surprised, and nobody should be. The E46 M3 is number 1 because the S54 engine, a naturally aspirated 3.2-liter inline-six producing 333 horsepower, is the absolute peak of what BMW's inline-six lineage ever produced. No turbos, no direct injection, timing chain, an 8,000 RPM redline, built by the M division with tolerances obsessed over by hand. Many E46 M3s have crossed 150,000 to 200,000 miles without major internal failures. The subframe and cooling system are the well-documented weak points, both fixable and now perfected by over 20 years of enthusiast community knowledge. If you're buying one today, those solutions are already solved problems. But here's the real reason this is number one. The E46 M3 is the last naturally aspirated BMW M car ever made. The S54 represents the end of a lineage that started in 1968. 36 years of BMW developing and refining the naturally aspirated inline-six, finishing at its absolute highest expression. Buy one that's been cared for, maintain it yourself, and you'll be driving it long after every turbocharged performance car around you has seen its second engine. That's the list. Buy the right generation, pick the right engine, stay on top of your maintenance. These cars will run for decades. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. We drop videos like this every week. I'll see you in the next one.